Sulzer.
Look how much snow is right there. You can't even tell, really.
Wow. This is 99W in Sherwood. Look at the road. Snow packed. Amazing.
When we finally kiss goodnight, how I'll hate going out in the storm. But if you really grab me tight, all the way home I'll be warm. For the fire is slowly dying, and my dear, we're still goodbye. But as long as you love me so, let it snow.
Oops, it's on record. Let's record you.
Let's not.
Why not? Why not, baby? Let's record everybody else.
I have the technology. You have the technology. I can take a picture of both of you.
Oh, great. That'd be awesome.